Hi guys, in my last video we learnt about how to create a variable and its usage, how to create a function and its usage. So in this video we going to learn about what are the data types in JavaScript and what are the usage of data types. Okay, so let's start. So guys, first we have a question, what is data type? So data type means there's a type of data, which means here where my var variable is there, right? So in that variable I assign sr tech tutorials. This is a data to this variable. Okay, so and this data type means type of data. So this is a string, so string is a data type here. That's the type of data, that's the data types. Okay, so like that we have two types of data types in JavaScript. So primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In primitive data types we have five different categories again. So string, member, boolean, undefined and null. These are primitive data types. And non-primitive data types, object, array and regular expressions. These are non-primitive data types. So we will learn one by one. Okay, so guys, here you should remember one thing, type of data is nothing but a data type. Okay, I will explain you clearly in that. So guys, while doing a programming or else while implementing a program in JavaScript, we no need to assign data types exactly to it, because that will done by JavaScript engine by default. We no need to give the data types colon string colon number like this. We no need to give, automatically it will done by JavaScript engine. That's why we no need to give, but we should know what are the data types assigned in our variables. Okay, so to check our data types, which type of data assigned to our variable, we need to check. Okay, so for that we have a inbuilt function in JavaScript, that is a type of. So here I am giving you a clear explanation on that. So again I am writing here document.write of type of method is there in JavaScript to check data type of variable. Okay, to check the data type of anything here. Okay, so here I am checking type of my variable. So for my variable I assign a string value. Okay, now it will print the data type of my variable. Just check once, tutorial string. Yeah, sorry guys, it's combined both. So I am assigning a break for it to appear in next line. Yeah, so here sorry, closing tag missed. So in next line we are checking its data types using with type of method, right? So that is displaying string. Okay, if I assign some other than string, then what will happen, just check once. Just I am giving here some 10. Okay, this is a number, we know. So what it is displaying, we need to check once. So here for my variable I assign 10 instead of giving string sr tech tutorials. So now what will happen, just check once in browser. So 10 and it's a number. Okay, so this is a data type of this data. Okay, so now I am giving true. So then true and it's a boolean. So true or false we can give. So true or false are boolean data types. So yeah, okay. So just I declared, so I didn't assign any value to my variable. Then what will happen? So just check once. Its value is undefined, means its data is undefined and data type also undefined. So if we declared a variable and we didn't assign any value to our variable, then automatically it will assign undefined value and undefined data type to declared variables. Okay. My var equal to just null I given. Then null is a value and its data type is an object. Okay, null is an object. So this string and number and boolean undefined and null, these are primitive data types. Okay, this type of data types is called as primitive data types. So we have another data types also, non-primitive data types. So those are arrays, objects and regular expressions. Okay, so just check once. Here null is an object, you should remember that one. Type of null is an object. Okay, we should remember that thing. This is an interview question. Okay, so next, non-primitive data types. So array means we can define with square brackets like this. This is an array. So what's the type of array? Value is an empty array. Okay, that's why it's not displaying anything. Type of an array is an object. Type of null is an object. Okay, null is an object, type and type of array is an object. So next, type of object means here I am assigning new object. This is a default method to create an object. So here object is assigned and type of object is object only. Okay, so here next is regular expression. So regular expression means we need to write like this. So some d. Okay, this is a sample regular expression. So this is a data in this variable, then we have to check this variable type of data. Okay, so then what will happen? Yeah, it's came. So it's an object. So here you should remember one thing, guys. In primitive data types, null is an object. In non-primitive data types, everything is an object. Okay, so string, number, boolean, undefined, null. In these data types, null is an object. Array, object and regular expressions, these are non-primitive data types, and this all type of data is an object. Okay, so if you know this logic, you can do any complex of functionality. You can implement your own. Okay, you can able to implement independently. If you have any confusion in data types, you will struggle in so many places while doing programming in JavaScript. Okay, so just I am clearing you guys. String, number, boolean, undefined, null is a primitive data types. Object, array, regular expressions are non-primitive data types. Okay, if you want to check which data type assigned to your variable, you need to use type of method in JavaScript. Using that, you can able to see your data type of assigned data. Okay, that's it, guys. See you in next video.